check from your side. There's no echoing. I think it's pretty clear from my side. Yes, clear. Second, 1 second. Good to go. Good morning, Chennai. Okay, so now I hope you can hear me. Is it better now, guys? Is it better? So I hope it's clear. Is it clear now? Yes, clear. So let me check quick and we'll start now. Just one moment. I'm checking that does live is going on or not. And then we will continue. I hope it's better now, Tim. Yes, it's better. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so let's continue, Nagus. So today workshop, again, it would be multi-agent workflows. And whoever my existing students, they knew about few ideas about it, but whoever joined for the first time, I need to wait for some time to, okay, listen in depth. And I'll guide you again as regular workshops. We have a practical, we have a concepts, and we have everything. So if you're a beginner, so might be few technical words little you understand, sometimes not understand, but that's totally okay. You just stay in the topic or stay till 2 hours of this session, and will everything is going to be practical and theories and technical concepts. And let's get back to the sessions. Thank you. So I will share my screen and let's continue now. And here, so let's do it. I hope you see my screen, everyone. Okay. So the name of the workshop which I scheduled today is Advanced Agentic AI. Yeah. So here, so the name of the topic which we can Advanced Agentic AI multi-agent workflow using CrewAI and LLM Orchestrator. So when I say LLM Orchestrator, what is CrewAI and how exactly the connections? What is it? Voice is not clear. So Tim, please answer me. Does my voice is clear? Raju, check your side, man. Check your side. From check your side. It is fine from my end. You need to check from your side. So your problem is not world's problem. So let's talk about this now. So here, this is what the main thing we're going to study today. All perfect. Let's continue now. So advanced agentic AI. So let's talk about this. And we build multi-agent workflow. We build multi-agent workflow. When I say workflow, I just talk about what is meant by workflow using one framework. I'll teach you multi-agent framework, Crew AI, and we integrate with LLM Orchestrator. So what is LLM Orchestrator? Most of the technical guys talk about orchestrator, but most of them doesn't know what exactly orchestrator means. So all those things we're going to discuss in today's live session. Got my point, guys? So welcome back. And if anybody joined for the new, I mean, to my first session, so I'll give a few announcement about new batches and all those things. And existing students, I'm sure you're going to work well. Let's talk about that, guys. Okay, welcome to the live class. The first thing, today I want to give one small example what I have agenda for today's topic. So the today's topic agenda is, so let's talk about this one. What is agentic AI? What is agent? Agentic AI and agent, single agent versus multi-agent. You can build single agent workflow and multi-agent workflow. And LLM orchestrator, what is meant by LLM orchestrator? Then we will see agentic AI framework and introduce to Crew AI. And I'll build the project using OpenAI and using Google. Okay, using OpenAI and using Google. So the two. And we're going to use some tool calling called tool calling Serper tool. So one of the web search browser. So the name of the browser is web search tool. And we're going to build in project today an intelligent multi-agent system that simulates a real classroom using AI rules like teacher, research, and evaluator. So we have built multiple agent, and then I'll talk about new batch announcement. So this is all the agenda for today's session. Guys, are we clear? Guys, are we clear? What is agenda for today's session? So first we discuss these all concepts. Maybe some of them knew it. If you doesn't know anything, no problem. Today, I want to give you a simple example. Make sure you listen well and all the workflows are clear. Let me tell you, the first point is, so do we need to install anything? No need to install anything. When I tell you to install, then you install. Okay, Mithilesh? All right. So let's talk about agentic AI, agent workflows. What exactly those things, guys? Normally, I want to tell you what is meant by workflow, guys. Workflow is not a course. It is not a separate course. It is not a separate subject. Got my point? It is a process. For example, I would ask you if you have a land to construct the house, okay? So you can call it as provide the workflow to construct house, guys. Got my point? So what is the workflow? It's a process. What is the process? We have a land, and then we need to construct a foundation stage. First we do architecture, then foundation stage, then first floor, then second floor, then third floor. So this is all workflows. So in agentic AI also, everywhere we have in ML models, we have a pipeline. We have a pipeline. In AI, we have AI workflows. Understood, guys? AI workflow. And similarly, we have GenAI. And similarly, we have agentic AI workflow. Got my point? Team, are you understood? The one who joined for the first time. Team, are you understood? Please respond quick as a friendly response, man. Okay, guys, everyone is clear what is meant by workflow? Got it now? What is meant by workflow? Workflow means it is the process to complete any task. It is the process to construct the house. It is the process to complete any kind of functions or all these things, guys. That's called workflow. Just a process to complete task. Exactly. So workflow is a process to complete any task. Got my point? Today I want to give you, okay, so there's a, before I start, I want to do a small announcement. If you are any new student, this is not for existing student, and if you want to join a new batch which has started at 9 p.m., I'm sorry, 9 a.m., so you can scan this QR code and you join the class, guys. So please, I'll give 2 seconds to please scan this and let me know once you're done. Not everyone, the student who new, guys, and the one who joined late, I will share the previous link. Just 1 second. Please scan it, whoever joined for the first time user. Please scan it, whoever joined for the first time user. Got my point? So just 1 second. The live is going on. I'll take the screenshot of the live and then I'll give it to you. Good morning. Can you tell more about project? So who is this? Shubham, I'm not tell you, we'll do it. Pipeline. Yeah, CI CD also contain, the CI CD will build in, both are same. Both are same. Okay. All right. Vijay Singh, listen, man. Then we will talk about this. Okay, Vijay Singh. Okay, great. So I'll close it now and the live is going on. So here, this is the YouTube live link. I will share you in the chat. Okay, great. Let's talk about what is prerequisite. Just process two. What is meant by what is prerequisite? Praveen, what question? Whenever you write something, write properly, man. What is meant by prerequisite? Let me tell you today, okay, most of them people doesn't know. Let me tell you, okay, this is not a course. Listen, today's prerequisite nothing. Your laptop, your dedicated time. That's it. Okay, Praveen, that is the prerequisite of the course. Got my point? So today's session will work on workshop on advanced agentic AI on multi-agent workflow using CrewAI LLM Orchestrator. Okay, so whoever raise your hands, Vijay Singh, can we talk later? Can we talk later? Okay, buddy. Let's talk about now. Let's start. Today, I want to build one workflow. Listen to me. For example, today I want to draw a small diagram. In this diagram, everything we need to understand how the workflow will start for agent. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So one question, please. What's the difference between GenAI and Agentic AI, please? Nishant, can you share YouTube link chat? Yeah, I will share. Just one moment. So Nishant, generative AI means it generate code, it generate content, it generate text. That is called generative AI. Understood, guys? What is agentic AI? Agentic AI will generate code, write code, debug code, create applications. That is all difference between Gen AI and agentic AI. Nishant Sharma, understood? Okay. So I will share this YouTube link. Nishant Sharma, are you understood? Please answer me. Okay, let's copy and very clear. So thanks. No problem. So first, I request you, please spend time for this topic. Today we start the session. And I'm sure you very nicely, you got all the concepts, guys. Then we talk about this, guys. Pretty clear? Listen to me. Today I'll build workflow. So what is workflow? I'll give a small examples. I want, if you have any questions, you can write in the chat window. We'll go for it. So I'm Java backend developer, data science. Akhil, you are possible, man. No, also, which track could you recommend for someone with my background? I would request you, if you have any questions, can you wait? Because this is not the demo for FSDA session. This is a workshop. Okay. So please listen the workshop first and work with me. And then we build some project, live code we're going to do. And then I will take your question. Guys, are you understood? I know if you're joining for the first time, you have various questions. That's absolutely fine. So I'm saying if I start the questions now, the session would be stopped, guys. The session would be stopped. Am I correct? Akhil, are you clear? Akhil, are you clear? So I will answer you. Yes, anything you can easily get back to you. I will give you the batch promo. Okay, no problem. So let's talk about one workflow. For example, uh, it's me. It is me, guys. I'll draw one diagram over here. It is me. Okay, it is me. Okay, so I hire one driver agent. I hire a driver agent. Team, are you follow me? I hire a driver agent. So please understood now. Yeah. So this is me and I hire a driver agent. What this driver agent, the task is every day, this driver agent will drop my kids to school. Team, are you understood? What is the task I assign to this driver? What is the task? And when I hire any agent, got my point, guys? Yes. So I hire a personal driver, very straightforward. And I told some rules and responsibility to my agent. So what is the task? Every day, the task I assigned. What is the task assigned? The task assigned is every day this driver will take my, can you change pen color? It is very visible, man. How come you talk like that, Patil Kunal? Let's talk. Guys, is this okay? Are you visible or not? So what is this one? So it is a, yeah, it's good, right? It's good. Yes. Yes. So it's me. So today we understood, please continue. So it's me and I hire a driver agent. Okay, what I task assigned? I assign a task driver. Hey driver, can you please drop my kids to school at 9 a.m. exactly and get back her at 4 p.m. So now I am a Okay, I'm a master, I'm owner. I assign a task to my agent. This agent has a memory. Agree with me, not guys? This agent, driver has a memory or not, team? Driver has a memory. Everyone, if I hire any agent, driver has a memory. Got my point? So when I assign the task, this task stored in the memory. Got my point? And in the store in the memory, so every day he will do his task automatically or not? Please answer me. Every day he will do automatically. So there is a question. When I give the task to him on 9 a.m., you have to drop my kids to the school. So also there is a tool. I given a tool. What is tool? Either two-wheeler, either two-wheeler, either four-wheeler. So according to the situation, my driver agent drop my kids to the school as per the environment. So whether the environment is, even the crowd is too heavy, he will take two-wheelers. If it's rainy, then it will take four-wheelers. And finally, he reached the goal and he dropped the school at 9 a.m. Guys, are you understood? Guys, are you understood? Please answer me. How many of them clear? Just give a friendly response that please, the one who joined for the first time, clear. So now, can I say one statement over here? The driver agent has a planning. Understood? Driver has a planning. Driver has a memory. Okay. And driver agent can integrate with tools. Which tools? Two-wheelers or four-wheelers? To complete the task. To complete the task. To reach the goal. Team, how many of them clear? Clear, guys? So when I hire a agent, so the physical agent, and I'm telling my agent to take my kids and go to school. So agent has a memory. Agent plan himself. Assume what is meant by plan. For example, if a heavy traffic at 8:30, a heavy traffic is happens. So he not able to go in this route. He will try with other route and he reach the school on time or not. So that means the my driver agent can plan itself. Team, are you clear? Team, are you clear? Everyone understood now? So my question to you, so driver agent is called single agent and complete ecosystem is called agentic AI. Got the clarity? What is difference between agent versus agentic AI? Did you got the difference between agent versus agentic AI? How many of them answer clear? So are you guys understood? So now this is workflow. Everything I got truly. Because why I'm giving you example, so things would be better. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है guys, understood? Let's get back to another. So can you tell me, so here let's draw a diagram. I agent, I task. Okay, let's talk about, as you say, to change the color. I'll get back to that. I given a task now. So here, this is my driver agent. I assign a task. Okay. I assign a task. Driver agent has a memory. He can plan. He can plan. Agent can memory and use the tool. And okay. And then he reached the goal. Guys, are you understand the workflow? Team, are you understood the workflow? बताओ सब लोग समझ में आ गया guys? अरे बहुत easy subject है agentic AI. Did you know deep learning is tough? Agentic AI is very easy. Now, got my point. This is called workflow. I will show you more slides. Now, tool means exactly Chin, right? Tool means two-wheeler, four-wheelers. So it's just physical, practical example. Now, what happened? Guys, got my point? Let's talk about, I will start another one. Let's draw another paint diagram. Here, team, are you understood? What is single agent? So here I'll build the workflow. The first one is, so what is single agent? Here, single agent, driver is single agent. Complete ecosystem is agentic AI. So can I say complete ecosystem is agentic AI? Now I have another task. So the workflow is I'll assign a task. Okay, agent, receive the task. Agent, receive the task. And my driver agent, store in memory. My agent can planning. Got my point? Based on the environment situation, he will use tool to reach his goal. Got my point? Got my point, everyone? Exactly. Perfect. Now the next one. Here, I want to draw another thing. So again, I hire a driver agent 1. Okay. I hire another agent called maid. She cooks for my family. Okay, 2 agent. Agent 1, agent 2. I'll hire another agent. So she clean the house on time. So how many agent I hire? Please respond, guys. How many agents I hire? Everyone, please respond. The student who joined for the first time, are you guys understood now? The student who doesn't know anything, are you guys understood? I think everyone clear. Not my student, existing students, you guys get 3 agent. Now here 3 agent. Can I call single agent or multi agent? Can I give single agent or multi agent, guys? This is multi agent. This is multi agent. So what is workflow? This driving agent drop my kids at 9 a.m. to school. So when my kid go to school at 9 a.m., my maid agent will come at 8 a.m. and cook the food for me and get things done. And what is the cleaning agent? Every day, this guy clean at 6 a.m. Do you see everything done automatically or not? Everything done automatically. Are you clear? Everything done automatically. Are you guys clear? So do you got understand what is difference between single agent, multi-agent, agentic AI? So let me write down. So here I'll call as single agent versus multi-agent versus agentic AI. Very lovely subject, isn't it? Single agent, I hire driver agent. Multi-agent, I hire driver agent. I hired which one? Maid agent, I hired. My room cleaning or entire house agent I hired. So when I multiply, so that become my multiple agent. So guys got my point. So driver agent is single agent here. Let me write down. Driver agent is single agent. So now, and I hope, so there's a 4 topics I covered. First topic, what is single agent? Driver agent. Okay. Single agent. What is multi-agent? Driver agent 1 plus maid agent, chef, I call it chef or maid agent 2 plus what is another agent? Driver agent and house clean agent. So every agent I'll assign a task. As I'm owner, being a owner, I'll give an driver agent. I'll give which task? The first driving task to pick my kid from school, okay, to the house. Second one, what is chef? Okay, the maid need to cook by 8 a.m. Understood? And the house need to be clean by 6 a.m. So this entire ecosystem is called agentic AI. If you cleared the 3 example, guys, agentic AI is completed. Understood? I'll show you practical. Exactly these practicals I will implement right now. So how many of them understood, guys? How many of them understood? बहुत अच्छे से समझा दिया यार, उससे और कुछ भी चीज नहीं है. Now you can go many diagrams. I will show you right now. Very, very clear. Appreciated. The student who joined for the first time. So guys, I hope you clear. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice, guys. Let's talk about. I'll show some of the questions. Understood. Understood. Appreciated, guys. You guys are clear. So, okay. So what is agentic AI? Advanced agentic AI. This is called advanced agentic AI. This is called agentic AI. What is advanced? When I try to Excel and advance Excel. Okay, got my point. Now I will show you some pictures, then things would be understood. Then I introduce some tools, guys. Okay, so do not leave. Very nice practical. Trust me, in 2 hours, I will teach you what are the components of ecosystem. I'll come back. Joshi, I'll come back. All of them. You got the architecture. Now you got the workflow. Let's do it. So I'll show you some of the diagram, then see that. So are you see my screen, everybody? Are you see my screen, everyone? Okay. I'm just look at that. AI agent versus agentic AI. I'll open my marker then to better understand. Okay. Joshi, just wait for some time. We'll discuss. AI agent. Can you tell me single agent and multi-agent? This is our AI agent or not? What is agentic AI? The other built an entire team. The entire team is called agentic AI. Got my point? Kiran Kumar, I will talk to you, man. Any question? Let me unmute you. Unmute you, Vijay Singh. Kiran Kumar, unmute you. Please go ahead. Or we'll discuss later. So I will show you all the slides now. You understood now, guys? Got my point. Kiran Kumar, we'll talk later. No problem. Got my point? Great. So pretty clear difference between single agent. Listen to this. Single agent versus full ecosystem. AI agent means what? Single agent versus full ecosystem. Great. Next slide. Can I go to the next slide? Okay. What is an agentic AI? A single autonomous unit that takes input. Input from what? Input from master. Thinks using LLMs. He think his brain. LLM is a brain. Agent has a brain. In the brain, memory is available. Got my point? And acts based on the situation. He will act. If it's raining, he take a car. So using tools and producing output. So this is called AI agent. So what is AI agent loop? What is called AI agent loop? Whatever I explained while ago, the examples, if you understood entire ecosystem clear, guys. So input the agent loop, input take from masters, think, act on own. So for example, where we use in real time chatbot answer questions, code generator, research bot. Clear now, guys? I hired one employee, that's called AI agent. Next one, what is agentic AI now? So agentic AI, a complete system of multiple agents working together with planning, memory, tools, orchestrations. Are you clear? I told you right now that if I hire a multiple agent, for example, for my house, I hire driver agent to drop my kids. I hire a maid to cook before drop the kids, and then house cleaning agent. So a complete system, multiple agent working together with planning, memory, tools, orchestra is called your agentic AI. So multiple agent, workflow control, orchestration, shared memory. One agent can talk to the other memory as well, and complex decision making. And this is what orchestra research analyst team. Are you clear? Guys, are you understood? Please answer me. Now, first, I'll give you a small example. Now, we'll talk about this diagram. Okay, got my point, team? Let's get back to the next topic. What is key difference? What is key difference between the two agent? The agent is single agent here. So definition, look at the difference. Agent versus agentic AI. It is single AI unit. It is system of multiple agents. Narrow task, complex workflows, self-contained. So If I don't, sorry to ask you in the middle, I just want to know whether coding is required for agentic. Required Bhargavi, but not much, little. So we'll do code today. Got my point? We'll do code today. We'll understood. Got my point, guys? So here, now have a look at it. So when you see this now, so collaborations. Now, collaborations means yes, I can collaborate with one agent to other agent. Shared memory, complex multi steps. Team, are you got my point? How exactly? If you understand, I'll come back. What is Pavan? I'll come back. What is meant by orchestra? I'll come back now. Okay, just talk about. So today, I hope you guys understood what is single agent approach, what is multi agentic AI system. Create a market research report. Single agent cannot do the report, search the internet for data, analyze pattern trends, write full report. So single agent has to be asked to someone to do all those things. What is agentic AI system? Agentic AI system means it connect to research agent, it analyze, and it writing agent. So task split across specialized agent, that's called agent AI system. So you got a clarity that agentic AI means single, and agentic AI ecosystem means an entire workflow, guys. Pretty clear? Next one, what is popular framework? How do you build this agentic AI framework? What is meant by framework? Because I told you we need to, okay, who is this? Kranti, unmute you. Kranti, unmute you. What is your query? Or you just raise your hand just like that. Please, guys, let me finish and then we'll do practical and then we'll do it. Okay, Kranti? I'll take all of your questions, no problem. So, popular frameworks, we have popular frameworks called CrewAI, multi-agent, LangChain, and LangGraph. These all the agentic AI framework. Today, I will build the practical using CrewAI. So I want everyone to build with me. We will build together and we will see any problem, we'll get it, guys. Up to this clear now, guys? Next one. So let me write a simple statement so that I will share you these documents. You can understand. What is orchestra? I'll come back now. An agent is a single autonomous AI unit. An agent, so brain of agentic AI is multiple. Exactly, Joshi. So what I'm saying, an agent is a single autonomous AI unit. Okay. While agentic AI is a coordinated system of multiple agents working together to solve complex problem. If anyone joining right now, might be you not understand these slides. I already explained a 30 minutes of class early. Very nicely, I gave an example. If you understand this example, all the slides you are understood, guys. So please watch the previous things. It is nice. Got clarity? Quick answer. Everyone is clear what is difference of agent versus agentic AI. Great. Next one. The AI orchestra. So what does mean by orchestrator does? What is meant by orchestrator? Orchestrator means it decide the exact sequence, it use tools, it manage agents, it passes data. I told you my example early that see it controls steps. So assume tomorrow is a Monday and Monday my kid has to go to school at 9 a.m. So first the house cleaning agent clean the house at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. First step. Okay, decide the exact sequence. And this agent will talk to the maid agent. What is maid agent? Can you please cook the food very soon? Because need to go at 9 a.m. So the maid agent. And after the maid agent, what next, guys? After the maid agent, so step three. Now the driver agent take the kids and take the food. So all three agents will discuss together. Exactly. This is the heart of agentic AI ecosystem. Team, are you understood? What is meant by orchestrator? So what does orchestrator does? Four core superpower that go single LLM calls. It controls steps. If you don't integrations, guys, orchestrator means integrations. So use tool, search API, database, calculator. It manage agents, research, write, review, and it pass the data. Guys, are you understood what is meant by orchestrator now? Okay, Pawan, are you clear? Pawan, are you clear? Next, talk about this one. So we'll CrewAI as a orchestrator. So CrewAI as a orchestrator. Mahesh, you not Mahesh, are you understood? If you're not understood, please watch it from beginning. Got my point? If you not understand, then you have to listen that again, guys. Okay, let's get back to that. CrewAI as an orchestrator. CrewAI acts as orchestrator, meaning it will build a full pipeline of agent to start to finish, guys. It will CrewAI is a framework. I will introduce how to work on CrewAI. This framework will create a full pipeline from starting the task to finish the work. Okay, that's called your complete orchestrator. So here, what is orchestrator? The manager that, I mean, every time the manager keep think about and workflow seems a little similar. Exactly, both are little similar. Got my point, guys? Okay. No, actually, a orchestra means it will check end to end. Pipeline means we create a steps now. Got my point? Great, clear, fantastic. Now today we'll build all this project. So without orchestrator, what exactly response? See the graph, try to understand. Only one AI response at a time. Assume I hire a 4 agent. Okay. If I don't have orchestra communication between all these agent, only one AI response, guys. No workflow structure. Without orchestra, no workflow. Let me write it down here. So I could call it as without orchestra, there is no workflows. Got my point? So that's what I give a complete difference. With work orchestrator, what happens step by step, multiple agent, real world applications, context and memory shared across agents. So it's a big subject. I try to cover everything in less time. So powerful and scalable intelligent agent, guys. Without orchestrator, with orchestrator. Guys, I hope understood now. Okay. So now let's talk difference between three things. AI agent, it's single agent. Agentic AI, coordination of multi-agent system. Orchestrator means manager of AI workflows. Manager of AI workflows. Guys, are you clear? How many of them understood? Please give a friendly response. Please, yes, 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 yes. Please write a friendly response. Yes, guys. I understood. Very good, Pawan. समझ में आ गया, guys? समझ में आ गया? Good explanations. Very nice. I love you guys. You understood. So let's talk about. I write a final thing. What is AI agent? Single agent, guys. Means he has own idea. He has own idea. Driver, in my case, driver agent only, without any task, without any goal. That's my AI agent. Okay. So what is next one? Agentic AI. What is agentic AI? Agentic AI is coordination of multiple agent system, multiple agent system or entire system. This is co. Okay. Now I'll use tab now and here and here. What is next one? The next one is orchestrator. What is orchestrator? It manages of AI workflow. It manages of complete AI workflow. Team, are you clear? Complete AI workflow. So here, this is called orchestrator. Let's orchestrator, guys. Okay, let's maybe. So this is act as CrewAI is my orchestrator. So behind the scene, CrewAI will act as a multi-agentic orchestrator. So team understood now, got my point. Appreciate your response. Exactly. Appreciate your response. Can we get this recording so that we can go through once again if we couldn't? Yeah, definitely. It is on live, guys. I will share the live link. Please watch it. The way I explain, no YouTubes, you will get it. I promise you. You check every YouTubes, every in the world. Okay. What laptop required agentic AI lab? You no need to create a lab, Raz. Are you open a company or you for learning? Okay, so I will tell you what laptops you want, all those things. I just give a clarity. So team, are you clear? So this is what live I will share this recording. So crystal clear, everyone. Every work do agent then employee kya karega means in the company mein. That is why a lot of firing is going on, man. Let me tell you, Kunal, out of earlier 20 people hire a project, but now 5 people hire a project. It is a automation. Got my point? So team, I hope clear. Team, I hope clear, everyone. The slides, very good slides. So I will talk about finalize what is agentic AI. So please ping YouTube link in chat. Yeah, I'll paste it now. Okay. So you can do it. What is agentic AI? Agentic AI has a memory. Agentic AI has a tool. Agentic AI has a goals. Now agent can do actions, environment. I told you guys all these things. मैंने बताया यहीं पे कि if I have a driver agent, I hire a driver agent. He is my driver agent. Driver agent has a memory. I will give tools, two wheelers, four wheelers to complete my goal, and then action and environment. Let me talk about so all those things clear. What is meant by it's very perfect and crystal clear. Very good. Now my question to you, what if there is a situations? What if my kid's school start at 9 a.m. guys and driver agent reach to the school at 10 a.m. What happened? Please answer me. The my kid's school start at 9 a.m. My driver agent reached to the school at 10 a.m. What happened? Planning is wrong. Planning is wrong. I will scold. I will scold. So can I say agent can learn from mistake? Can I say that? Can I say that? Agents can learn from mistake, and so that's what agent can learn. This is called feed forward loops, guys. This is feedback loop. What is feedback loop? So I'm an owner. I will scold to my agent. Why you take a lot of, so I'll scold. So feedback, I will give a feedback to my driver. So that is called feedback loop. So let me tell you, agentic AI also has a feedback loop. Got my point? Environment. What is environment? Based on the environment, my agent will act according to the situations. See, these are the tough names, but I'm trying to help you to understand all those things, guys. Team, are you clear? Team, are you clear? Got my point? Very good. Thank you that you understood and you stay here. I'll close it now. Let's minimize. Let's minimize. So there is a short announcement I just wanted to the student who joined for the first time. I start a new batch. Just give a quick reference about that and just go back to the present full screen. So here, the new batch I started. So just wait, we have a practical. Don't go, guys. The name of the program which I started is Full Stack Data Science, Advanced GenAI, Advanced Agentic AI, Full Stack with the deployment. Got my point? In this course, what is main? Phase one. What I will start. So I'll start with Python. Okay, Python and data types, oops, numpy, data frames, visualizations, virtual, and just I'll teach many more. First, I will start with Python. Then I will start with EDA and statistics. Okay, because descriptive stats, statistics is important. So this batch is all for advanced guys, advanced Gen AI, advanced agentic AI. This is phase one. After phase one, so how many modules? 11 modules. After phase one, phase two, I'll start with machine learning. Okay, so team, we have a practical. Just announce to the people who joined for me for the first time. And then this is supervised learning, unsupervised model evaluations, feature engineering, hyperparameter tuning. Then MLOps CI/CD pipeline. This is phase two. So MLflow, DVC, Docker, Git Actions, Fast API. We'll build all the pipeline, guys. Phase three, deep learning. In phase three, I will guide you how to build neural network, CNN, RNN, LSTM, attention, text processing, embedding, fine tune, BERT, and robot. So this is deep learning phase. AI ops. In AI ops, I'll teach you Kubernetes, and A/B testing and data governance and compliance, because AI ops is important. And then advanced Gen AI model taxonomy, GANs, diffusion model, multi-model, and CLIP score. All those things I'll got back to you in advanced Gen AI. After phase 4, LLM and LLM ops. In LLM, I'll teach you LoRa, reinforcement learning, LangChain, RAG, okay, and optimizations, how to quantizations, what is LLM architecture of deep dive, GPT, LLM, Claude, all those things I will between AI ops. Hari, whenever I speak something, do not ask immediately question, guys. Hari, are you understood? So whenever I speak something, do not try to ask questions. Try to listen first. Hari, are you clear? ML ops, we deploy ML models, we operation. AI ops means we monitor AI model. Got my point? Then advanced agentic AI. In advanced agentic AI, MCP, AutoGen, CrewAI, AI tools, and React, plan, execute, multi-agent frameworks, and then model context protocol, code execute, web APIs. There are a lot of new agentic AI tools has launched in the market. So all those things I'm going to give you in this batch, guys. Second one, full stack with deployment. Deployment will apply some of the backend, front end, and databases. All those things we're gonna do it. So this is the new course. Tell your friends, or maybe junior or senior, who wants to learn this course. And maybe outside what happened, they're not guided properly, no hands-on projects. So we'll do in the class, guys. Are you guys understood this announcement? So if you have any question, you can reach out. I want to learn GenAI only, not data science. Will be fine to go. No, absolutely no. Okay, anonymous attendees. This guy again. Okay. So here, let's team got clarity. This is just an idea of my new batch announcement. I want you to take a ma'am number. Lina ma'am, can you post your number? Okay, so follow this link and scan it. Shall we do practical now? Shall we do practical? Are we get ready, guys? Let's do it. So what is the things we completed? Let me open the slides. This slides we discussed. In this one, I will covered this part we covered, this part we covered, this part we covered, this part we covered, this part. Introduced to CrewAI. Let's go back and we'll start now, guys. Okay. First, let's work everyone. I want you to, let's try. So display my number. Okay. If you want have any question, non-technical question, please talk to Lena ma'am here. Can you please take down this number? Can you please take down this number? Online team, can you please take down this number? Okay, not everyone, the student who wants to join. So I will share this, guys. I will share to you. Okay, you can reach out to her for further course details. She's take care of all of your non-technical query. Okay, great. So if you want to my advanced agentic AI playlist, so I have as I do studied every time I do my freelancing, I do work. So this is all the Claude API we build, Kimi, OpenClaw, Gemini, MCP. Okay, if any new guys, how do I teach? You can go back and check it. NA10. We build bunch of practicals on NA10, how to connect with Nano Banana. This is all NA10 topics. You can easily find out LangGraph and agent to agent protocol, small agents, all these things you can find out. I will share this entire video link in the slides, guys. Got my point? Next, before I start one practical, let's do the practical here, guys. Okay. What is CrewAI? So go back here and I want you to, can you please go to Google and first log into CrewAI, guys. Please log into CrewAI framework. How many of them working today? How many of them working today? Please answer me. CrewAI, clear. So please open this CrewAI. Did you open it, guys? Did you open it, guys? Okay, good, good. So after you open, please open a docs. I want everyone to open a docs. Please open the docs, everyone. Great. So when you open the documents, so I'm a software developer, I want to learn GenAI only, not GenAI for career shift. You can learn anonymous attendance only GenAI, but no problem. Immediately, if you don't understand, it's better if you learn DS and then GenAI. That would be better. Now, if you say I don't have time, then do it. Whatever you like, you can do it. Okay. So the next thing, first, have you got these documents? No need to sign up. Let me go back to the documents. Do you see, read this document, ship multi-agent system with confidence. So what it does, design agent, orchestra, crew, automate flow, Gordials, memory, knowledge, everything, guys. Gordials means secure. I'm like, how will this program will be helpful for me? Rajan Misra, how come you ask these questions? Being experienced, guys. If you are a QA tester, how can you help? QA tester, if you work entire life, the package won't grow, first thing. And everything automation is going on everywhere. So when you learn this subject in your resume, you change this practical and go to the shift the company. And that is the way it will helpful for you. Got my point? Rajan, are you clear? Experienced guys shouldn't ask these questions. In life, every time we have to study. Being a IT professionals, we need to study. The moment when you stop study, the cash flow stops. Always I'm saying this point to the expertise guys. Okay, let's talk about now. Do you see, I don't explain all those things right now. First, I will show you one GitHub. Can you please go to Google and GitHub now? So I can call CrewAI GitHub. Let's open it. Now, when you go for CrewAI GitHub, let's go to the CrewAI GitHub. I will share this GitHub. Let's copy and please open. Can you please click the GitHub, guys, which I'm sharing you right now? So it is number one repositories of the day. Look at that 50K star so far. And it is one of the powerful, it is one of the powerful automations too. It is one of the powerful automations. It is one of the powerful automations tool, guys. Understood? So here, I want you to explain this diagram once, and then we start working the practical. Everyone is clear? I'm going to see that. Have you got this file? Have you clicked this file? Please let me know. I'm clicking chart. Please listen to me. We'll do some practical today. Yes. When you open, now you can see that right click and open image in new tab. So when open image in new tab, please open. Try to understand this architecture. Now I'll give 2 minutes and answer me how many of them clear. एक चीज बताओ कितना बच्चे को समझ में आ गया ये चीज ये क्रू AI. So crew, listen to me, no problem. I'll tell you. So I have an agent. I hired two agent guys. Agent one, agent two. Both agent has a memory. Am I correct? Agent one has memory. Agent two also has memory. So driver agent and chef agent. Driver agent, chef agent. Driver agent has a memory. Driver agent has a. So agent has a brain. LLM means nothing but agent is a brain. So what is LLM? Maybe OpenAI, maybe Gemini, maybe Kimi, all the bunch of LLMs we have here. And when I assign a task, agent one, task one, agent two, task two, and finally output is created. Did you guys clear this architecture? Did you guys clear this architecture? Did you guys clear this architecture? Please answer me. Yes. Okay, no problem. I didn't start the code, so we'll go slow. Clear. Vasu, unmute you. Kiran, unmute you. Vijay Singh. Any queries? Guys, when you raise your hands, I'll unmute you. If you don't speak, what can I say? Tell me, guys. Vasu, speak, man. Okay, no problem. So I will low hand so far. Yogesh, shall we work? When I give access to one guy, everything will ask. Yogesh, please go ahead. What's your question? Then we'll start one practical. Yes.
Am I audible?
You're audible. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm saying that this code will be any of platform like .NET, Java, or Python, anything that this code means, or is it something related to agentic AI, other language?
No, man. What is your question, man? Are you asking questions relevant to the explanation or out of the explanation?
No, no, no. This is flows, finer. This is
Wait,
my
wait,
question.
wait, wait, wait. First, just wait for. Let me on it. Can we talk after the class if you wait for some time? Because what happened if I give you access, then everyone will talk now. Two
Okay, fine.
minutes.
Okay, fine. Okay, not an issue. Don't give
All
me.
right.
Okay, fine. Not an issue.
I think. Wait, wait, wait. 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes. I have to speak. Okay. Now, please go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening now. Quick. You guys,
Yeah,
please go ahead. Quick.
yeah. I'm saying that this flows trinumeration. There is a written to fight code. Code is there code. So this code is of any of language like .NET, Python, or
Okay,
Java.
okay, okay. This code, the code, I think mostly you can write in only Python, no .NET, Python and Java, no other language.
Okay, Java is also supporting this
Yes, Java
CrewAI.
also. Exactly.
Oh,
Okay, got it now.
yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
let's do it. Thank you so much. We'll talk, guys. Kiran, unmute you. Quick, what happened? Let's talk about. Then we'll start work. Quick, quick, guys. I will have a lot of things to cover.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Sorry, I have some problem at my side. Okay, my laptop issue. I don't know why I'm getting raised. My hand is getting raised. I'm
Okay,
not.
no worries, no worries. By mistake, huh? So
Yeah.
no worries. No worries. Let's do it. So query at the last, please. Yeah, yeah. Query we'll see at last, or else exactly. So that's what I will trying to cover these things, guys. Let's have a look at it. We'll start working on it. Same with me. No worries, Vijay. So what I'm saying, guys, your architecture clear, everyone. Architecture is clear. So let's talk about. Let's work now. Yes, team. Can you please open Google, everyone? And when you open a Google, please write Google Colab. Can you please open a Google Colab? Can you please open a Google Colab? Please answer me. Can you please open a Google Colab, guys? Great. Okay, I'm sorry. What is the difference? But I think already Satyanarayana, I told you what is no, both are not same. Both are not same, Satyanarayana. Generative AI is nothing but to generate the code, text, okay, image. That's called generative AI. What is agentic AI, Satyanarayana? Agentic AI is agent generate code, write code, fix the error, generate output, deploy everything. It's called automatically. Got my point? Yeah. Avinav, application suits me exactly. Thank you, Avinav. So please upload in chat. Okay, now good. I'm reading your live chat. Thank you, guys. Okay. What is tool? Tool means I told you the vehicles, the driver use the tools. Okay, now let's continue. Welcome to Colab. Can you please log in? First, go to Google and write Google Colab. Open a new notebook. Please open a new notebook, guys. Open a new notebook. Please open a new notebook. Everyone, are you doing it with me? Okay, have you created? Have you created? Please let me know. Have you created? Yes. Have you created? Great. Yes. I can see your chart as well. Open Google Colab. Everyone got like this? It's very simple. If anyone doing for the first time, you can watch this recording and do it one more time. I will little go up, up. Let's increase. So how did I open? I went to first, I go to search engine Google. Then I will type Google Colab. And then I click new notebook. Okay, I'm not using my software. This is called Google Colab. And after you this, do you see runtime? Click the runtime and change runtime to GPU and save. Change runtime to GPU, go to runtime, change runtime to GPU and save. Please do it. Please do it. Change runtime to GPU and save it. Please do it. Okay, team. Yes, Samaso. Clear. So save. Have you done it now? After you done, I want you to select this button. I want you to select this button. So please go back to here. So open this button. Please open this button. When you open this button, if you wait for some time, this is called files. This is called files. Click on files. When you click on files, now click drive, mount drive. I'm connecting my mount drive. Connect to Google Drive. Are you follow me, guys? Connect to Google Drive. Online team, if anyone have any questions, please respond to the query. If my any existing student is sitting in this batch, I mean in this session, in the live workshop, please answer them. Okay, guys? Yes. So now refresh. When I refresh, do you see the drive is mounted? Do you see the drive is mounted? Okay. Once the drive is mounted, the first query I'll write NVIDIA SMI. Now execute. Do you see this is graphics card? We are using graphics card. In this graphics card, we are using NVIDIA SMI. So when we use NVIDIA SMI, just try this now. Do you see it's giving me 15 GB RAM where we use 0 MB, guys? Clear now? Have you completed? Have you completed? Now, when I open code, cell are open. Let me know how many of them done. Let me know how many of them done. It's very straightforward. What have you done? Go to Google, open a Google Colab. Raj Sharma. Okay, if you not, where is error, Raj Sharma? Please answer me. Okay, where you got error, guys? Very simple. I will repeat again one more time. See, you go to Google and write Google Colab, first tab. And okay, I'll share the live link. Can you please follow that one more time, guys? Just 1 second. I think this is the live link is going on. And I'm going to copy this and you can share everyone. Please, whoever not able to do it, please do that, guys. Pretty clear? After that, I'm going to write this one, pip install CrewAI. CrewAI, what is CrewAI? So here, CrewAI is a multiple agentic AI framework. So multi-agent. So agentic AI entire ecosystem. This is agentic AI framework. So I will write down here, CrewAI is multi-agentic AI, multiple agentic AI framework. Pretty clear. CrewAI's multiple agentic framework. Have you installed going on? Installations going on? Please answer me. Installations going on? Please answer me. Yes, guys. Okay, good. Okay, great, great. So installing. Have you finished now? Have you finished now? Going on. Pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm going to installing pip install CrewAI. What is CrewAI? Multiple agentic AI framework. I told you, look at that. This is what framework. So here, this is CrewAI. CrewAI is a framework that allows to create AI agents where each agent has its own expertise and instructions together. It will work towards solve one large complex problem. Got my point? Yes. So what are you teaching today? What are you teaching today? I'm teaching agentic AI, multiple agent workflow. Can you please watch the recording? Okay, let's talk about now. Have you installed this one, guys? After install, yeah. So after install, let's try. Now what I'm gonna do now, can you please scroll down and write, I want to use pip install CrewAI tools. Pip install CrewAI tools. Because team, if you getting error, I can't solve everyone's error. Are you clear, guys? pip install CrewAI. This is the command. I'll copy that. I'll paste it here. Please try this. Okay, this is the first command. Second one, let's get back to that. And I'm here, pip install CrewAI tools. Let's use CrewAI tools. Let's copy. I'm using this command as well. Pip install CrewAI tools. Got my point. Got my point. So restart sessions. It is saying restart sessions. I will check again. And now let's recheck again. And then we already installed this part. No need to do it again. So here, okay, let's install. And second one, let's install this. Great. Team, I hope understood. Next, first I want to write a code, import OS, and from CrewAI, import CrewAI Orchestra or CrewAI multi-agentic workflows. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Import OS, import agent and task. I'll give a task to my agent, task, and I'll give a crew now. So crew, please confirm it is installing Google Drive, right? Of course, it is installing Google Drive. Why, Munish? If you open a Word document, it will work in Word document only. So here, import OS, now execute. Have you execute this, guys? No, I'm sorry. I think from CrewAI tools, import. There is another tool, Serper Dev tool. What is Serper Dev tool? What is Serper API key, guys? Serper API is an, what is Serper API? Serper API that allow developer to retrieve Google search. So if we have any questions, what you do, guys? We write, okay, we get back to Google search engine and fetch the data or not. So how agent will go back? The agent will go to the Serper API key, go to the Serper API key and fetch the data. Team, are you understood? This is Serper dev tool. Now I'm going to, let's call API key. So everyone, see, if you are a freshers, you are not able to do it. No worries, just watch it. If any experience, guys, if you think you can capable to do, please do it. If existing people, students, they know, so they can do it easily. My batch students, if you are early, then you can't understand, then watch the previous classes. I will cover all those things in the classes. Got my point? In this workshop, if I take everything slowly, it will take entire day. Got my point, guys? So here I will go to Google, use Serper API key. What is the first step we done? First step, Google Colab. Second step, open notebook. Correct? Third step, pip install CrewAI. Fourth step, pip install CrewAI tools. Okay, this part we done. Great. So let's get back to the work. If you go to the Serper API key, read. What is Serper API key? The world's fastest and cheapest Google search API. If I tell you to one task, can you please tell me in Netflix which movie released? You went to the Netflix and you search it, isn't it? Now I am telling my Crew AI agent, can you please search some task? So my virtual agent or Crew AI agent will go to the Serper API key and fetch the data. Got my point, team? So if you see the Serper API key, it provides 2,500 free credits to you guys. So we can download the free credits, 2,500. Okay. So now what I'm going to do now here, so you will sign in. Please sign into this. I will copy that. I will share this link to you. Okay. I will share this link to you. Please click that, guys. And I'm use this platform, and here let's log into the password. I think this is password invalid. Okay, so log into your account. I think. Okay, I have my, do we need to sign up first? Yeah, you need to sign up. I already have an account already here. So, see, I already had it. So I think I don't want to do more because I think it is logged. Okay, server dev2. So sign in. Can you please sign in? And when you sign in, you get an API key. Can you create an API key, guys? Can you please create an API key when you sign in? Done. Great. After you done, get 2000 free queries. I already had my account. So I think why now? Okay, it's working now. If you see this, guys, yeah. Once you sign up, done, you got API key. Did you see everybody got 2500 API key free? Okay, on one account. So far, you got 2000. I have left with, I used multiple practicals. So I have only this API key accounts are left, guys. Understood now? Great. So 2475 API. You see API keys? I already have an API key. I get my API key. You generate an API key and save your Server API key. May I know how many of them done this, guys? May I know how many of them done this? Please answer me. How many of them done this? Please respond. Done. Very good. How many of them done this, guys? Great, great, great. Done. Good job. Server API key is done. Okay. Second, I want you to create OpenAI API key. Guys, have you created Server API key? Let's create OpenAI API key. OpenAI is a paid API key, and I already had an OpenAPI account. If you're not able to create, then go to google.com and create a Gemini API key. Please click that. Server API done. Very good. And now, can you please go to Google now? Can you please go to Google and here, Gemini API key. Please call the Gemini API key. And when you create your Gemini API key, just do you see your get API key? And here you got Server API key. We got either OpenAI. I'm using OpenAI, Gemini API key. Both. I'll be working on both today. So Open API key and Gemini API key. So please, I hope it is free. No need to charge. No need to charge for this. Okay, guys. And this is also, this is not free. This is paid. So I'll be using this one. I will be using this one. And this is free. So you can get your API key. No need to charge for this. Okay. So how do I pay for OpenAI? Go back to here. You can go for platform. You can go for platform.openai.com. When you go back to the platform, you get your API key here, guys. This is what API key. You get your API key from here and you purchase it. So I don't suggest to purchase right now. Let's use your free API key. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Please answer me. Everyone is clear, guys. So have you done API key now? Fifth point, please get your API key. So how many API key you downloaded? Which one you downloaded? 2. Great. So first, 1 second. Okay, great, you download. Let me get back to the code. In this code, I will, okay. So here, so Server dev tool, I got API key. Now let's os dot environment. Okay, I'm giving my server API key, os dot environment. So here, so which is open API key. So there's a two API key I need to pass. So just first OpenAI. Instead of OpenAI, guys, you mentioned Gemini API key. Got my point? Instead of OpenAI, you got Gemini API key. So when you click that, so here, let's, there are a lot of students, old students, they are attending the classes. Even though the bad students, you guys are attend the sessions. You not even if comments, you not even if likes. Guys, see, whenever we take sessions on these hard ways, every day we spend time for you to learn. So isn't it matter to have little likes and good comments to spread across the globe, guys? No, no, people will not do. Okay, so anyway, let's do that. So here I have this open API key. Let me get my open API key here, go back to desktop, and I don't show you the open API key time being, just 1 second. Give your API key list over here and let's try. So where is my open API key? Okay, let me copy this. And here I'll go back to now and I'm going to paste it. So, okay, so this is my OpenAI API key. Great. And what is my Server API key? I have all the list of, copy that and minimize, and I'll give the Server API key. So team, are you clear? I gave the two API key over here. Okay. Open API key and Server. Instead of Open API, you need to write Gemini API. Please write this, guys. Pretty clear now? Pretty clear now? Great. Now, sir, environment ke batao na. Kunal, what is the question? No need to create an environment, man. It is working on Google Colab. Got my point? So here, let's try this now. So, team, I hope understood now. Let's get back to the work. So I'm going to search tool. I think I want to go for search, see, tool. So if I, okay, now CrewAI is my multi-agent framework. It will build multiple workflows. And here, I think if I go back to this Server dev tool, okay, this is the Server dev tool. Let's create it now. So now listen to that. So team, I hope working. Let's try this. Kunal clear, Kunal Patil. Let's talk about this now. So this is searcher dev tool. Let's create, I am hiring one agent. एनवायरनमेंट कब बताया तो कहां पे क्रिएट करेगा, सुन ले पहले, उसके बाद तो करेगा। थोड़ी बताया मैं एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए। कुणाल पटेल कब बताया मैं एनवायरनमेंट करने के लिए? दिस इज व्हाट हैपन। आई एम स्पीकिंग समथिंग, यू गाइस डूइंग समथिंग। समझ में आ रहा है? कहां पे तेरे को कौन बताया एनवायरनमेंट करने के लिए? थोड़ी बताया मैं। गॉट माई पॉइंट? Please do it. No need to create an environment. Just, okay, here it will create automatically, guys. It will create automatically. If you install your Windows operating system, which environment the operating system will install, Kunal? It will have inbuilt environment or not? Got my point? It is have inbuilt environment. Clear, Kunal? Are you clear? No response. Leave that. Okay. Yes. Now follow this now. Let's see what we done right now. Look at the code. From Ray import search. Why it is coming here? I haven't mentioned this. Sorry, I'll delete it now. So import OS, CrewAI's multiple agent, CrewAI agentic AI ecosystem where I hired agents. To that agent, I'll give task crew. I created team, crew team. Got my point, team? And these agent will search this tool using LLMs and tools. Got my, everybody's clear what I'm trying to speak here. So now let's build a, I want to hire a teacher. I want to create a teacher agent, and the name of the agent is teacher. Thank you, team. I hope understood what I'm talking. So here, this is the teacher agent. So which tools? I don't want to use the tool here. And what is goal? The goal I have to assign what goal? Very simple. I try to build a simple workflow today. So here I need to assign a goal. What is the teacher? Explain, okay, concepts clearly, step by step. Got my point? Okay, great. Now, what is backstory? Like backstory means we just give some, okay, when you're trying to learn some codes, maybe in future, try to check whether his experience, look at his profile and look at his, then you'll go for it, guys. Understood what is backstory? Looking for experienced teacher who explained with example. I'm gonna, okay, this is backstory. LLM. Which LLM I'm calling? I'm calling GPT 4o 4o mini. Understood, guys? That is GPT 4o mini. And here, verbose true. Verbose true. So I think let's talk about this now. Mini, and here, these things we clear, guys. Now let's get back to it now here. Okay. Okay, I think I'll just close it. No problem. Team, are you understood? So how many agent? What is LLM if you're using Gemini? Very good, Praveen. For Gemini, I want to use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Please use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Got my point? Guys, if you use Gemini here, in Gemini, you can change the Gemini API key and use, okay, Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, can you please share that? So using Gemini, we need to change. Correct, Mithilesh. Correct, Praveen. Yes, can you share that? Teacher agent understood now? Everyone? Let's clear now. After teacher agent, what we do? Single agent I hired now, okay? Let's research, SCAR, researcher agent, RESC, ARCH, researcher. Again, I have an agent. That agent, what is role I assigned as? Let's call the agent name is there, right? So here, okay, let's call, I think it will work. Control G, that's perfect. And now what is role? Researcher role, guys. So this agent will researcher, I think researcher, and the goal equals to, I'll give find latest information. This is latest information. Backstory, same thing. And then, and expert in searching real world data. Now try this backstory. And then tools here, I think I'll use a search tool. Got my point? And comma, and which LLM I called? Again, the same thing. GPT 4o mini. Okay, this is mini model I'm calling here. And so let's call back verbose equals to true. Okay, any error? Now, great. So how many agent I had so far, guys? How many agent I've been done now? So 2 agent. What is agent? Teacher agent and research agent. Am I correct, guys? 2. Thank you, Praveen. So guys, use this one. LLM equal to Gemini 2.5 Flash. You need to use that in the same code. Okay, so let's try. I want to hire a simplifier, means let me call this agent, and this agent role has to, let's try simplifier. Okay, what is need to simplifier? I need to assign a goal. Every my driver agent, I give some task. I mean, I just assigned a role. Okay, the goal of this agent is to, okay, simplifier thing, make things easy for student, make thing easy for the student. And then what is backstory? The backstory equals to, okay, so breaks complex ideas, complex ideas into simple language. So here, this is the backstory. Again, LLM, same LLM, which GPT 4o and okay, 4o, not 0, 4o mini model. Great. And then it's equals to, I think, equal to true. So how many agent, guys? How many agent we built here? So 3 now, correct? Let's close 3. So let me go back. So here we have teacher agent, researcher agent, and what next? Okay, teacher, research, and simplified. I think agent, why I got like this? Okay, I think I'll give a role rather than name. Okay, this is called tab, role now. So if I see that role is a teacher, right? So this is role, goal, backstory, LLM, verbose. This is agent, role, goal, backstory, tools, and search tools. Fantastic. And then here, let's call now another agent, student. So let's student. And what exactly the student roles? Does the spelling is wrong here? Okay, no, that's fine. Let's talk about which role I give to the student now. Because, so Raghav, where exactly an agent type? Which one? Then comma missed. Where? GPT-4o mini. Okay, let me check. Okay, here, right? Thank you. Great. Done now? Okay, so in student, what is the role we need to pass? Let's call student. What goal I need to give in? Let's check. Take notes. What student will do, guys? Take notes when the session is going on, right? Yeah. Agent should be in similar capital letter. It should be in capital because you start with anything capital letter. Now that's better, right, guys? Role equal to teacher. But why? Ah, my bad, man. Okay, here the double equal to that. That's what I got issues. Okay, the small checks. Now try this. Next goal is done. What next, guys? What is backstory here? The backstory called writes the simple notes like learner. Okay, so what next? Again, LLM equal to GPT 4o and mini model, and then comma verbose equals to true. Okay, so student, so how many agent we have been done here? How many agent are you working? So very simple. I have a simple thing here. I multi-agent framework. Multi-agent, I'll hire multiple agents. I'll assign task to multiple agents to build a team. Crew means team. Got my point? And these teams will search from which tool? Dev tool. Which LLM? Either Gemini or OpenAI. Same code. So here, teacher agent, researcher agent, simplifier agent, and student agent. Perfect. So now, okay, I want to create another agent. This is multiple agent I want to build. I want to give agent to here. What role equal to? Let's call examiner role. Examiner role. And then goals. I need to define a goals to this guy. Examiner, what exam will do? It create a questions to the students or not? It creates CREAT, create a questions to the students. And then what else, guys? What is backstory? The backstory equals to it tests understanding. So I am writing based on my understanding. Okay, you can write your own agent based on your automations, whatever you're doing in your project. So here GPT for Omni models, O, and then Mini. Pretty clear? And then here, verbose equals to true. So how many agent? Teacher, researcher, simplifier, student. Okay, great. I want to ask a task now. I want to ask a task. So 4 or 5, teacher agent, researcher agent, simplifier agent, student agent, examiner agent. Okay. Now I want to ask a topic. So what topic I want to pass here? Topic equals to, I ask what is, okay, agents versus agentic AI versus MCP. Okay. Versus GenAI versus generative AI. Okay, so I ask this topic. So when I assign a topic to these agent, so what exactly this agent will do? No, I just define an agent. I declared the agent. I didn't assign a task now. Guys, are you clear? So I'm going to copy everything, copy and paste it. So I'll paste it here. Team, are you able to paste it? Just 1 second, decline. So I'm going to go back and let's call, why not able to paste it? Oh, I'm not able to paste it. That's okay. That's okay, guys. I hope you guys are working. So now what we done, we install framework, we call LLMs, we call tool calling. I hired a 4 agent and 4 agent parameters. These parameters, this agent role is teacher. His goal is to this one. I mean, he needs to be experienced teacher. Okay, and LLM calling, tool calling. This is called tool calling. Okay, server tool calling. So please paste in QA. Okay, QA, are you able to find out? ठीक है, 1 second. Q&A. Where do I paste it? Okay, Lina ma'am, can you share these codes to them? Let me chart. Strange. Do I have access or not? 1 second. Okay, no problem. Let me finish this. Okay, and then I will give it, no problem. I will wait for you to work. This topic is done. Let's talk about, okay, I want to assign a task now, guys. What type of task assign? So here we go. Task 1. So 5 agent, how many tasks I need to be assigned, guys? Please answer me. 5 agent, how many tasks I need to assign? Please answer me, guys. Yeah. 5 agent, I need to assign 5 tasks, right? Correct. So 5 tasks. So task 1. So I'll call back the task 1. Ab maine task 1 ko. Who is the task 1? Teacher task, right? Okay, role teacher. What is task? And I'm saying, what is my topic? What is, okay, difference between Agents versus agentic AI versus MCP versus generative AI. Okay, team. So here, I will use this now. What is task? So task one, I create a task, not search. I will mention as, let's call descriptions, and it's better. I will create a search and find 3 important points about topic. Formatted string. This is topic, right? So formatted string. So when I create a flag braces, I need to put it as F now. Okay, formatted string. Descriptions are given here. Now let's comma and expected output. Expected output. What output I want? Expected output is 3 clear points. 3 clear points, guys. And then let's agent. What is my agent? Researcher. What is my first agent here? Okay. So researcher, that's okay. Agent is researcher. What is research? Find the latest informations about this topic. Got my point. So how to decide prior to which task should executed one? I'm defining now, man. Joshi, how you see that? I'm given researcher. Got the clarity now? Team understood. Clear or not? Response. Okay. Now, yes. So now, okay, task one. Let's do the task two. Okay, runtime disconnected. Reconnect. So is it connected or disconnected? Okay, it's connect there. Clear now. So how many task one? I given a task one. Can you do task two? So let's given a task two now. What is a task two? Ab task two batayenge usko. So I think I'll copy everything. It's better, right, guys? I'll copy this, but no, better not copy. I different task I have to assign. Which task I have to given? Let's given to teacher. What is the teacher task? I will ask the teacher to. I'll ask the teacher to about again formatted string and explain topic in simple steps with examples. Teacher has to explain with examples. Correct, guys? Teacher has to explain with examples. Why I'm getting this error? Okay, I think I have to put it this now. Clear now? Yeah. So task 2 will only execute after task 1. It's not like that. It's not like that, Joshi. You can, it depends on what you define. Is it mandatory that every time you follow the same manner? Guys got my point? So based on the situations. Understood, Joshi? It is not a, so the same sequence. It's not like that. Got my point? Okay, this guy not response. So answer, man, when you ask your questions. So here, examples. So I think task 2. So which task 2 is done? Okay. Joshi, how come you not understand the simple things, man? I mean to say, in your every time, would you say that I eat lunch at only 1 p.m.? No, right? Some of the situations you can little change early, little change. So it is not mandatory that you have to first task only requirement. It's not like that. So if you want to do, you can do it. Understand or not? Clear, man? Okay. If still not understand, wait. After the class, I'll talk to you. So descriptions part, we have done task 2. So I think what I have to mention message to this guy, teacher agent. Okay, what is the topic I mentioned? What is difference between agents, agentic AI, MCP, generative AI? Okay, this is research. This agent will research it. Okay, teacher, where I left in teacher topic with examples I given now. Great. And after that, okay, let me write the expected outputs equals to what is expected output? I need step-by-step explanation. I need step-by-step explanation. And if you need teacher task to be executed, you cut it and push it to front. Got my point? And which agent? This agent is called, okay, it's not capital letter, teacher. So agent base agent, because I given a base agent here, right? So this is called teacher. So team, I hope understood. So this is the teacher agent now. Yes or no, team? Now, if you want to do this, you can copy that, or maybe you can assign to task 2, or you can do task 1. Anything would be fine. It's all depends on it. So can we call more than in one task? Emma, that is a wrong question, buddy. That is a wrong question. So yes, you can do it, but what is the purpose of assigned task if one guy will do? Can you do everything in the life? I mean, you only cook, you only food. No, right? So based on the situations, got my point? Yeah. 1 second, 1 second. So how many tasks we has defined it? Got it. So task 1 and task 2. So which task? Did I miss anything? I feel expected output, step-by-step explanations. Okay, let's create a task 3 now. The task 3 is called task here. And descriptions. What descriptions? Task 3. Next, simplifier. Teacher, researcher, simplify. Okay. If you, let's put that to task 1, and here you can continue that, no problem. Stop in 2 minutes. You can re-invite to continue recording. So let's descriptions. What is descriptions I need to give now? Sorry guys, I was talked to. Okay. So now here, descriptions. I think task 2. What is task 3? So I'm going to copy this now. So it's better I can write down. See, rather than I can task different way. So what is task 3? I'm going to do it again. Simplify the explanations of again. Oops. Topic. And I think why it is again, I need to put it f string, it seems. Okay, let's expected output. Just 1 second. We have a little left now, expected output. So simplify, very clear. Oh, I think you got very simple explanations. Okay, now I got my, this one is works. Task 3 also done. So how many tasks we define now? So sometime your voice is not audible. Is it? No, it's not my problem, Salman. It's your problem. It is your issue. Okay, so you check your internet first. Yes. So let's call it. Who is this guy? Sheshadev, just wait. Task 3. Can you go for task 4? How many tasks? Let me given. I give this task to this agent. So what is the agent? Description equals to task 4 formatted string. And I can say that write, who is my task 4 here? Task 4, teacher done, researcher done, simplifier done, student, okay. Now let's call task 4. So write short notes on, by the time, I hope you guys clear what exactly the multi-agent is all about, like a student. And then again, expected, come on. So I think expected output equals to a simple notes. Just make a simple notes, guys, here. Just make a simple notes. All right. And what next? Agent equal to, let's base agent. So I think capital S or small s. Let's create a student now. Why it is getting now Any wrong here? Let me check. Student. Thank you now. Thank you, Samir. Now, what is last one? Task 5. Let's create a task 5. I'm going to create a task now. Come on. This one, I don't want it. Descriptions. Who is last agent, guys? Who is last agent now? Examiner, right? Last agent is examiner. Great. So descriptions is F. And here, create, I think, 5 question. Let's tab. Got it now. Topic, expected output. Not 5, 3 easy questions as an examiner. Guys, I hope you clear. Team, I hope you clear. So we can give an, okay. So what I'm going to do now, I will make task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. It's better. You can do this way as well. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste here. So make sure, so as teacher research, let's go with the flow. That's best. So rather than researcher, or else just I'll make it to task 1. Okay, task 1. This is task 2. Pretty clear now. Just go with the flow now. So what is first one? Teacher, researcher, simplifier, student, examiner. 5 agent, 5 task, teacher, researcher, simplifier, student, examiner. Make sense now, guys? Make sense now? Now, after that, team, I hope everyone is done. Let's build a crew. So now crew means what? It's a team. If I go back to this architecture, just go back to, where is the architecture? Okay, did you see this architecture? It is a crew now. It is a crew. Now state graph. Crew means what? It's a group of agent and group of task. It's called CrewAI Orchestrator now. Let's run a flow. So how to run a flow? Just get back to it. Just one moment. I'm going to close it now. And here, crew, and I can write as agents. Agents. What is the agent? Teacher, researcher, oops. Simplifier agent, student agent, examiner agent, right? So task 1, task 2, task 2, task 3, task 5. Team, are you clear? This is multi-agent, multitask. Okay, team, I hope understood now, guys. And then here, let's do comma and verb was equals to true. So just execute now. Verb was equal to true. It's done. And after that, let's result equals to crew.kickoff. Crew.kickoff means this is all the functions we worked almost. So that's what we knew well, because if you see the code, you go to the quick start, you get all the documentations over here. Just go to documentations, you will get the quick start. In the quick start, do you see control flow? All those things we've been quick start somewhere. If you go to the quick start, you will get these options. Okay, crew.kickoff. So here, this is all these things we have. So I'm going to do crew.kickoff. And then after that, print result. Let's try. Yeah. So I think it's done, not required. Save file, save, and let's run it. Let's check any error. Execute the code. Validations error for agent goal. Why I got this error, guys? Role examiner. Did I left the examiner? Agent. Why I'm getting this error here? Please check. Goal instead of goals. Okay. My bad, guys. Thank you. So here, this is role, Control S. Okay, great. Thank you, team. So I hope, let's run. Great. Do you see crew execution started now? Now crew task started. Explain difference between agent. Agent starts. Teacher, it is working. So do you see this, guys? Yeah. Now check the task completed. Task completed. Do you see? I think it is saying, okay, tool executions completed. Still it is getting all these informations. Such what is tool means? It is calling the tool, no problem. I'll show you what exactly happened here. Just execute, just delete all these things. So when I print result, let's do it. I will be guiding you what would be the CrewAI is. See, the agent is went to these websites, guys. These are not error. These are not error in, so these are not error. I mean to say, these are which tool it is referring? Server API key tool it is referring, and it is search these content from this tool. Understood what is difference between generative and AI and agentic AI? Let me tell you, in generative AI, when you generate the code, you are not able to know that which website it went and fetch information. Got my point? But in agentic AI, it will get this information, then you get it. In agentic AI, it will tell you which agent, CrewAI agent went to this website and fetch the information about the topic which user is asked. And finally, it is generated the content. What is the topic? Difference between MCP and generative AI. So finally, when the AI is running here, let's do this. This is output. You got it, guys. Agentic AI final answer. Student, agenda, what is AI? What is it is? Agentic AI, MCP, GenAI, key difference. Agents do basic actions, and agentic AI can think more independently and make complex choices. Did you guys understood what I'm talking? Did you guys understood? Anyone? Like citations, exactly. Like citations, correct. How many of them clear, guys? How many of them clear? This is all agents. This is all agents. How many of them understood? Clear, Pravin, clear. See, it is referring. And what is difference between generative AI and agentic AI? I will tell you right now. You got pretty informations. In Gen AI, you don't know how the question is answered by internet, from which website it went and fetch result. It went and fetch result, guys. So but in agentic AI, what it happen is, you able to know that whether the website is safe or not. You can able to know the website names and how the agent is pull the info for your topic, for the assigned topic, for the assigned topic. Exactly, Ajay. Gen AI, we don't know which website it went. Guys, are you got understood? Technically, Gen AI versus agentic AI and versus advanced agentic AI. I hope you guys are clear. I hope you guys are clear. Agentic AI knows web means, can you give us an example if any known application for agentic? Pankaj, there are a lot of things, man. If you see, if you go back to my VS Code, there are codecs, Claude Cowork. What is Claude Cowork? The Claude Cowork is all about multi-agent. These all are agents, guys. How many agents? These all are agents only. It automatically write the code for you. And if you go back to this one, there is several. This is Klein, is multi-agent. Okay, there are a lot of things in it. Got my point? Can we do technical task? Yeah, Joshi, absolutely. Are we supposed to give access like for Kubernetes error fixing? Yes, you can do. Yes, you can do. 100% you can do. Okay, 100%. How genuine are those answers for troubleshooting? Joshi, just ask a question is very easy. Understood? I think seems like your experience, right? So you are an employee, you are not a CEO of a company, right? Whatever you thinking, that is not implement everywhere. You have a lot of ideas. Does your manager approved it everything? No. If you know it, see, first the company has to use this tool. when the company used this tool, then you got to know whether it troubleshoots or not. Got my point, guys? Agentic AI provide me. Okay. So see, think practically. I'm talking to you. See, people are asking questions, but what I'm saying, I hope you clear what I'm, does it make sense, guys? Got my point. So here, look at that. So have you worked on this part? Like Gemini AI, anybody's worked? Really awesome. Very good, Kunal. Gemini, okay, Gemini AI, did you get code? Gemini AI, did you get code? Yes or no? Gemini AI, do you got output? Very good. Awesome, guys. Appreciated if you, everything would be same, guys. Just, okay, I will mention CrewAI. Let me tell you, the agentic AI everywhere plugged in. Understood, guys? CrewAI, multi-agent. Okay, using OpenAI. Using OpenAI. Yes, yes. So please share the working. No, I think I'm not able to share. Joshi, understood? No response. Leave that. I will talk to you if you have any questions, guys. Yeah. Okay. See, there is a no, I'm not saying, guys. Many experienced people have one question: what is security? Okay, can I integrate? You can integrate, but your boss has to approve it, isn't it? Your manager has to approve it, guys. So you can think number of ideas, but all ideas, surprise, I'm not able to paste it here. I think I have to host, paste. I'm sorry, I'm not able to paste it here, guys. Just one moment. Can I put that in the controllers? I save this code, but I want to do, can I put this in Gradio? Let copy all the code, and here, let me add one more. Just give me a moment. What if I create a code now? I paste the code here, create.txt file. No, wait. I will share the GitHub, no problem. I'll share the GitHub, guys. So I wanted to, okay, import array. Why the verbose is creating? Now I'm using one line of code, import Gradio as gr. Okay, and I think I will install pip install Gradio. So let's execute. Let me install this Gradio and import Gradio as gr. Okay, and rest of thing is fine. Let me check. So here, search dev tool. I'm create one function here. Define run multi-agent of topics. And then, okay. All those things I have to get back to here. And then teacher. And then here. Okay. And then here. 1 second. Then here. Okay, examiner. After that, examiner. Okay, after that, topic I don't give here. Just give task 1, 2, 3. Okay, task 1, 3, 2. So this is crew. After the crew, just where is crew? So here, I'm not going to use true here. I'm going to use false. After the, now the next one, result crew.kickoff. And rather than print, I'm going to return and string result. I think just 1 second. Task 1, task 2. Okay, I think I need to get back to this thing. So here, all these indentations are little, again, I have to change this one more time, right guys? Yes, should be aligned under function. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm doing, but this all. So I think I will make it now and then task 2. Great. This is task 2. This is task 3 and task 4. And this is, I think, one second, guys. Okay. I want to see that whether the front end will work or not. Then here, this is task 4, and this is going to be, come on, task 5. Cool. So I think task 1, task 2, let's give a space. Okay. And I think the CrewAI also has to be aligned, right, guys? True. Then just wait. False. Okay. And then here, if I go to results and then written, perfect. So great now. And I think, so let's create a, now I'll create a interface. In this interface, gr.interface, I'll create one interface and I think here function, which function I defined here? Run multi-agent, right? Run multi-agent. Input equals to input gr.text box, and here I think label, I'll make the label to here I'm going to gr text box, I think. Okay, here label to which label? Here I wanted to enter topic here. Great, this one. So I think, so let's see, enter topic. I wanted to see, let's check the front end or not. Hold on. So we create interface function, I write inputs. I need to give inputs in the text box. Then label is going to be, let's call enter topic. And in this enter topic placeholder, let's called, I would write a, what is agentic AI versus single agent. Any error, guys? Can compare to the Kubernetes control plan and how the coordinator would execute steps. How come you ask these questions, man? Agentic AI system be compared. Why do you compare? Will you compare cricket with football? Kubernetes is a clouds, buddy, deployment tools. You can do that. Got my point? You can integrate, not compare. Got my point? Question itself wrong, man. Will you compare cricket with football? Understood? No. So agentic AI has vast subject. Kubernetes, CI/CD pipeline, Docker, Fast API. So these are the technology. These are the cloud platforms where, yeah. So you can do it. Hugging Face is good for API keys. No, 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 no. Hugging Face is an integrations platform. Okay. Hugging Face, you can call the LLMs, open source LLM. Just wait. Let me finish this, then we'll talk. Okay, guys? Text box, gr.text box. And I think, why I'm missing something here. Okay, input, I want to create this one, guys. Great. Thank you. So Hugging Face we use for do open source LLM. Okay, team. So what is GenAI agentic AI? So output, I'm gonna create. This is not output, man. We build a multi-agent output. It's better because we need to do multi-agent output. Please let me know if I done somewhere wrong. Okay, team. So here, multi-agent output, this part I think. So I have interface, GR interface and interfaces we done. And the next one is after the output title of the app is, let's create Prakash Senapati. Okay. Multi-agent AI training. And then 1 second. I think most of them already left. What is GR? GR is the alias. Alias. I know most of them left. No problem. Because they need a job by watching YouTubes. Enter any topic and see multiple AI agents collaborate to, I'll write all those things, teach and simplify the subject, simplify. Okay, that's it. And test you and test you. So great. So here, that's it. And I think we'll close brackets. Oh, okay, already there. I'm sorry. Already there. Great. Now, after that, just use if, let's call main function name equals to main module. Okay. So then here, interface dot lunch. Okay, server port, save it. Let's try. I want to final output of this. Looks interesting. Yeah. Actually, see this, guys, here. So I got output, but now I just wanted to create some UI kind of things. That is this working? Let's try. That's what we've been write something. And here I call everything. Let's call any error. Hold on. Interface dot launch here. Server port If I call host, okay, let me remove this. If I remove the host and port, now control is execute any error. Looks good. Finally, it's done, man. Now try. Yeah. So this is Gradio Live. So let's open and I create my UI finally. So enter topic. Okay, what is agentic AI versus single agent versus multi-agent? Now submit. Now multi-agent output is working on it. And Prakash Senapati multi-agent AI training bot I created now. And Rohit, GR means alias man. Alias means what? I mean just shortcut name. NumPy is NP. Okay, your parents will call you as a shortcut name, right? Every time I don't want to write GRADIO, rather than GRADIO, I will write as GR. Pretty clear now. Again, it's gonna long day, man. So team, I think it's going on. Let's check. I'll share all the code. Gemini, everyone is working. Gemini, I'm sure it will work. I'm sure it will work. Nothing changes. Just you pass your API key. And yes, one thing you need to add on Gemini LLM. Yes, it's working. Appreciated. If you want to build on Gemini, I will share the Gemini AI code. Yes, it's working. Very good. Very good. So let's check why it's taking more time. I think it is creating. So I'm saying multi-agent output processing 84, 86. I hope it's okay. I will got this output, but see this output. Okay, finally I got it. But now, okay. So team, I can flag it. If I flag, so it's given all the detail now. So I'll copy and check in my notepad, and finally it has given me this. Do you see this all the informations I got it or not, guys? This is all the output I got it in my frame now, guys. Team, have you see it? But I think I can need to check the code, like little I expanded the UI as well. Team, isn't it? It's great workshop again. Okay. So Atif, you need to add one line of code. LLM equal to, you need to add that. So team, it is working. It is working. So I think you can ask it, okay, what is agentic AI versus single agent versus multi-agent. So I think if I run more, my API key balance would be gone. So you can check your API key balance as well. So multi-agent, okay, this is working now. Here you can also open a UI, and this is completely project we're gonna build, guys. Team, are you clear? Team, are you clear? So create an architect for this CrewAI task is whiteboard to get clear picture of multi-agent column. Team, I hope understood now. Architecture diagram already you get it from LLM equal to Gemini. Yes, yes. I think Atif, you need to write this code. LLM, and then you can pass model here in this parameter, give your model name, put it comma, give your API key equal to os dot environment API key, adjust you can temperature, use temperature 0.5. This one you need to add on to get this, guys. Team, I hope understood now. I mess up with, can I get code? Yeah, I will share you just one moment. So, okay, it is great. I hope it's working. Do you see my code is working here? So team, I'm sharing all the code. Just 1 second. I will delete all the API keys and that'll give you right away. And finally, the multi-agent is understood. So if you, so the new batch, you can inform, you can refer your students, friends to build it. And we're going to be, this is use your API key. 1 moment. I am mentioning use your API key. So the document which I created, okay, my students only get it now. I mean, whoever. So I'll copy this now and just come back, and I get all my output here. Here, pretty clear. Let me tell you one thing. If anyone is working on Gemini, I'll give you, I'm beginner, you clear hua. Very good. If you're a beginner, then attend the classes. It would be awesome. Ravi Kumar, what you're mentioning, man, sir, create an architecture diagram for this CrewAI task in whiteboard. Get why you can't do it after you complete the class. You asking to create an architecture diagram. Come on, man. You go to the CrewAI GitHub, the diagram is already there, right? Okay, if you're working on Gemini AI, I will just use everything would be same. Instead of 1 second, I will copy. If you want to use, so that I'll share everything. If you use in open source LLM for multi-agent code using Serper and Gemini. Okay, Gemini LLM. Okay. So here, if you do this now, I think Control V, same thing you can do it, not Gradio, just you can leave that Gradio part, and you can use one message you need to pass if you got any warning messages. And here, I'm going to use just 1 second. If you guys use on Gemini API key, I'm sure this code will work. Use your API key. Understood, guys? And after that, import agents task crew. One message you need to pass here. LLM. LLM you need to pass. Understood, guys? If you work on Gemini. So let's execute this. And then you have to add your Gemini LLM. So LLM equals to LLM and model. You need to declare a model. So I'm using my paid API key. If you need to use your free API key, use this below code, guys, what I'm writing right now. Gemini and Gemini 2.5 flash, right? And then API key. Use your API key and then mention temperature. Temperature is what? It's a parameter. Okay, temperature. In prompt engineering, I will teach you what is temperature, what is top P, what is top K. Someone, sir, I'm not. Oh, okay, no problem. No, Ravi Kumar Sirsani. I hope understood. This guy is, I can create architecture diagram. Open a GitHub and you can see that, man. Okay. I already explained. And yes. So then search tool. I think I have to Control X and then I'm use the search tool. After that, you can use rest of the code. After that, you can use continue this one. So here, not Gradio, this entire thing. Try this code in Gemini, it will work. Just 1 second, everything. Can I share this GitHub? I will share this GitHub. Connect with Lena ma'am so that copy. And this is your end-to-end will build. Thank you guys for, if you, no problem. I'll share the live. The session is going on live. If you really like it, please comment it and we can see that, guys. So the new batch is going to start. As I told you, if you want to see and if you really, please share the GitHub. Okay, I'm going to, just 1 second. I'm going to share this GitHub one more time. Let me multi-age OpenAI and Gemini open source. Very nicely explained to you. Trust me, guys. I know it take more time because, okay, so we have to build all those things. Then only it would be work or else create Control S. Let me check. Did I Deleted anything? No. Can I delete my API key? Yes. My Office firewall doesn't allow. So don't work. If your Office firewall doesn't allow, don't work now. Okay. So that means in your company, they won't implement so far. Don't worry. When they implement, all the jobs will be in danger. Just file download. Then how come deployments are going on, man, if your Office is not allowed? Download files. So here I will share this notes. Okay, I will share this content to you. Got my point? Oh, come on. No Office will use Cola Buddy. I will share all these things. This is what component agent is one component. I didn't explain because if I explain theory, most of people will. So all those things we understood in our regular classes, guys. It's very big sessions I taken. So let's close it. And I'm going to share, just download. This is the code and control X. Just go back to desktop and here. Yeah. What happened, Ashish? You're saying something? Empty. Okay. So no problem. So in chat you can't. No, I'll share the GitHub. Oh, yeah. Anyway, you were in the class, right, Jagat? You will get it from me, man. Why you so worry? Yeah. No problem. So let's try this and let's close it now. Let me open GitHub and it is, so I'll share this link to just create a repo, and in this repo, and I create a new, and here multi-agent workflow. I can write as advanced agentic AI multi-agent workflows, right? We can call as multi-agent workflow using CrewAI, Server, OpenAI, and Gemini LLM Orchestrator. Check spell ORCH. Fantastic. Okay, let's upload all the files. Choose your file. I think go back to the desktop and here. Where is the code? Session notes. Where is IPyNB file? Code file. PPT. Good enough. There is agentic AI architecture not required. So FSDS with advance. Yeah, if you want to join, you can. That's it. Thank you. So just where is the live going on? So this is the live class. So just go back here and let's open this. 1 second. Skip it here. Just copy this now and watch live. Great. So commit changes. I'm going to share you. So, team, thank you so much for another. I mean, I really appreciate it to the student who almost been spend 2.5 hours with me. And should we check Server API documents to know? Not required, Rohit. Not required. Just it's just an GitHub link. I'm gonna share this Git link to you. So very easy way I can explain today's topic. Okay. Thank you so much. Love you all. Goodbye. And please do not forget to, I need at least minimum 100 likes and 50 comments at least. Thank you. So any question? I think someone raise hands. Okay, Monica, unmute you. Thank you, sir, for great workshop. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Prakash. This is Monica.
Tell me.
Yeah, I joined this demo session, Prakash. Actually,
Mhm.
currently working in production support.
Mhm.
Will this course will be helpful for me to learn AI?
If it's definitely helpful, if it is not, okay, if you don't do this course, then do you have any other course you're planning now?
No, I'm not planning. I'm looking to learn AI. I was into production,
Because
right? I don't have knowledge in coding. That's my question.
no,
Can
no,
you able
coding
to
is,
cope up?
let me tell you, when I
Mm-hmm.
worked 15 years back, I'll tell you, in my company to do this project, I spent at least 6 months because there was no Google at that time.
Uh-huh.
When we worked, I mean, Google was there, but the access has revoked.
Okay.
Now you have lot of tools, na GitHub Copilot and all
Yeah,
those,
yeah.
right? So you no need to write this code. See, even though I can find this
Mm.
information from Google itself, ChatGPT, entire code, I will get it from ChatGPT everywhere. Got my
Okay.
point?
Yeah, yeah.
But if you
But
need
will I
to
be able to understand the code if I get it from ChatGPT? Will I be?
exactly, no, yeah,
Mm.
you can.
Okay,
This
okay.
I am explaining the PhD
Yeah.
topic. Got
Hmm.
my point. I will
Yeah.
teach you in 6 months of journey. I will teach you school level, college level, and
Okay.
then high school level, then PhD. Then these things would be easy. So
Easy.
that's
Okay.
what some of my existing students they feel so good on these topics. So no
Okay.
worries.
Yeah,
Clear
yeah.
now?
Clear, clear. Thank you, thank you. And in a day, how many hours should I spend? I mean, class. How many hours should be the class?
The class is going to be 1 hour,
1 hour
15 minutes.
every day. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
every day
Okay.
1 hour you take consider like that. Is ML part of
Yeah.
that? ML is part of
Okay.
the
Okay. Okay. ML is part of that. Even I can learn Python from this course, right,
yes,
Prakash?
yes. If I
Okay,
don't teach
thank you.
you, then you can't do.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Prakash. Thank you so
Okay, guys, that's it for today. So, do we need to know mathematics? Not required, Mithilesh. Not required. Not required. So, any non-technical questions, please talk to Lina ma'am. And that's it for today. Currently, I'm working in AWS cloud, working in infra creating. So, it'll be helpful for me. Or also, can I do with AWS? See, let me tell you. If Chinmay, I don't want you to say you learn. Understood? Let me tell you, NH is why I'm saying these examples because many experienced guys working, but still they're asking questions like really literally, yeah, bedrock, SageMaker, those things I'm not teaching right now. I'll start very soon. Okay, Chinmay, because what I see, a lot of these GenAI heavy model is integrate on Bedrock, SageMaker. I'll start. But all those things, code is written by AWS Azure. The code is already inbuilt. Got my point? So what you learn here, you start from scratch. Understood? Chinmay, are you clear? So it doesn't matter whether you're on production support or whatever it may be. Okay, whether you are leader or you are all those things. See, I'm not teaching AI tools in the market. Lot of bunch of okay AI tools. YouTubers are there. They only show up the AI tools. By learning AI tools, not gonna happen. So we are learning from scratch how the functions creates. And when you talk about AWS, some code's already there. You have to write just get the API, I mean get the key, and then you fetch all the details. But here you need to learn from scratch, core subject with VS Code. You need to write a proper loops, oops, all these things, guys. Okay, thank you. All right. So any more questions? If no questions, then thank you guys. Got it. Thank you now. Okay. Goodbye, team. See you on tomorrow class. Tomorrow, the new batch started. Inform your reference, share your referral if anyone is there. So in this document, as I told you, would be covered all these things from, see, look at that. This is all those things we're going to be continue. Okay, so right now this would be the topic we've been starting. So tomorrow onwards, this will start advanced GenAI, advanced agentic AI, deployment also using Docker, Kubernetes. I'm trying to integrate from this batch onwards, guys. Got my point? So it'll be very advanced and need your 6 months of hard core efforts to get. If any company pay you 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs per month, they expect some work from you guys, isn't it? So that's what you have to learn in depth rather than just, over layout and all those things. Thank you so much. And that's it for today. And happy weekends and goodbye to you. Okay, so catch you in the tomorrow class and please scan this QR code one more time. So if you like this video, please do a like, share, and yes, subscribe to Naresh IT channel. And also you can refer your friends about the new batch link. So you reach out to this group and join in the community. So, and if any further questions, reach out to Lina ma'am. She take care of all the non-technical queries. Okay, team? Thank you so much. And let me know once you're done. Have you scanned it? Have you scanned it? Okay. Goodbye, guys.